Very good morning to all. Sachin Gupta here. This is the morning podcast on commodity market for 4th March 2021. In the yesterday trading session, again we have seen the further sell-off in the commodity market. Almost all of the commodities traded into the red zone, or we can say a negative note. Silver prices slipped more than 1.5% to close 68,070 levels. Gold prices also declined by 1% to close 44,971 levels. In the energy segment, only crude oil prices gained by 1% to close 4,517 levels, while natural gas prices declined 0.5% to close 207.50 levels. Copper is also settled near around 703.25 levels with 1.5% downfall. Nickel prices slipped 7% in a day, which is the largest decline in a day, and finally the price settled near around 1261.20 levels. Zinc prices also fallen by 2.5% to close 217.45 levels. Lead settled near around 167.35 levels, and aluminum prices closed at 176.10 levels. Now come for the days on the COMEX division. Gold price is trading near around $1,710.20 per ounce, and silver is also hovering around $26.20. WTI crude oil price is showing some strength and trading around $61.51, and Brent is also hovering around 64.36 levels. So on the COMEX division, gold price is trading a very crucial levels, and there is an immediate support which is around 1700. If in the COMEX division, if gold prices manage to sustain below $1,700, then we may see the further sell off till the level of $1,680 and $1,670. And silver is also trading near around 26.20, and there is an immediate support is at $25.50. However, on the higher side, 26.80 would act as a resistance for the counter. So on the domestic market, if gold prices open between the range of 44,900 and 45,000, then we may see the further sell off or further selling pressure in the counter till the level of 44,600 and 44,400 levels. Now come to the silver. So if silver prices open between the range of 68,100, then one can go for the short positions with the strict stop loss of 68,500 for the downside target of 67,300 and 67,000. Now come to the crude. As on the COMEX division, crude oil prices showing some strength, so we are expecting the positive momentum in crude oil for the day. And if crude prices open between the range of 4,500 and 4,510, then we may see the further upside momentum till the level of 4,550 and 4,570. However, on the downside, there is an immediate support which is around 4,460 levels. Thank you and happy trading session.